Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I have this car jump starter kit from Agaro, and this is the Primo model. They also have the Regal one, which is slightly 500 rupees cheaper than that, and it has more features actually. It also has a vacuum cleaner and a portable tire inflator, but I went with this one because this is the more compact one, has a bigger battery, and I already have a tire inflator by Agaro. I will leave the link to this product and the review of the tire inflator as well in the description of this video. So without much ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to just open this plastic packaging, and this seems like they are also trying to follow some kind of this paper packaging. You can see the plastic is there, or the thin one on the top, but inside it looks more like a cardboard one packet. So let me try to just rip this apart. So now basically this is the cardboard box, and it comes with 1 year warranty, the product, and it includes, basically you see here, a charging cable, a zipper case, the charging clamp, and the jump starter, that is the power pack itself. So let's try to open this. Again, this is sealed in a good way. Not sure how I'll open. Okay, yeah, it came off. And I didn't think this would be this big. I was expecting a small product, but again, it's fine. And we get this case in it. Okay, and this has this fabric finish, and this is actually a hard case. You can see this. This is a hard case. Now I'm just going to open. The chain is generic and cheap, but again, at this price point, we cannot expect much. This is one of the cheapest, I can say, the jump starters that we get. So here we have the user manual and the warranty card. Here it comes with 1 year of warranty, and I'm just keeping this aside. And on this other hand, here we have the type A to type C cable. This I can use to either charge this power bank, or should I say the jump starter, and also to charge my phone from it. Okay. And again, charging the phone from this is not the main purpose of this. It's mostly for jump starting the cars. And here is the main thing also. This is the jump starter clips, or the smart clamp. And you can see here, it has all the functions, and we are going to test this on my Brezza as well. Okay, so this is the clamp, and again, the wires are good and thick. The clamp is also great. So this seems to be made up of high quality plastic, and inside you can see this crocodile clips, they are copper. So this seems to be fine. Let me keep this over here aside. And now let's see this. I think this doesn't open like this. I just need to slide this out. And if I remove this is the actual power bank. And yeah, this is what I was expecting this to be this small and come in a small bag, but yeah, the bag is huge, but it's fine. So this comes in this very glossy white and black finish, and it also comes with a flashlight over here. The flashlight and the quality seems to be fine, but again, this is going to catch a lot of fingerprints and scratches over time because it is very extremely glossy. And this also has a slight vibration to it, so I will not say the most sturdy thing over here, but again, this is something which we will need once in a while, so I think it would do the job. So let's try this out. So if I just press this once, okay, seems they have given this with full charge. We try to long press, okay, and this is how the flash is, and it's pretty decent, I would say. Let's just see. This is the, and now this is the SOS mode. Okay. Press second, will stop. Now let's check its brightness. So I'm just switching off all the lights, and then we'll see how bright this flash can get. Okay, so now we have pitch black darkness over here, and now I'm going to try to turn on the flash. So okay, and now if I just long press, okay, so you can see the flash, and it's good. Like if I check in the surroundings, I can able to see everything. And if see, this is the SOS mode. You can see if I just turn it off, If I do a long press, it will turn off. So see, you can see nothing here, and as soon as I turn this on, long press, everything is visible. So now let me turn on all the lights. So yeah, the flash is pretty decent. Now let's see if it charges devices or not. So I am using my smartphone for recording, so I cannot charge that right now. But yeah, if I just put it over here, and I have my Realme's buds. Let's see. So just insert this here. Again, this is a small cheap cable, but does the job. And yeah, this is charging. So yeah, the basic power bank thing it can do. So I'm just removing it from here, and I also have a charging cable. Let's see if I'm able to charge the power bank or not. I don't know why I keep calling this as a power bank. So see, it's charging over here. So this all functions works perfectly. Now let's see how to attach this one. So here we have this rubber gasket which you have to open, and here we have the pins. So we have to just take this and plug it over here. And I'm not okay. So you see, it will go only in one way because one of them is round, other one has a cut on this side. Okay, kind of a semicircle. So we have to look at that cuts and put it accordingly. So this will go only one way in. Okay, not both the ways, because positive and negative terminals needs to go in one way. So as soon as I insert it, yeah, it's inserted, and now this is blinking. Okay, it's waiting for me to connect this to the car. Okay, and here you can see function normal, it's on, then green light, and low volts it's off, red, and flash. Okay, so it's just basically right now it's off, and it's just waiting for me to connect this to the car. Okay, so now let's get and go outside and check it with the car. Okay, so let's now test this jump starter by Agaro. Okay, on my car, and again that's the Brezza 2022, and I'm going to first remove one of the terminals of the battery. Okay, and then I'm going to use this jump starter instead of this battery terminal. I feel it. Okay, I think it's loose enough. And just try to disconnect it. So see, they have removed this battery terminal from here. Okay. And now I'm going to connect this to the jump starter and then try to start the vehicle. So we need to first open this up. And again guys, it's difficult to make this video single-handedly. I'm recording with one hand and working with the other. Okay. So this is the jump starter. Let me open this and just give me a minute. I'm just connecting it to the adapter. Okay. So as soon as I connect this to the adapter, you can see this starts blinking red and green. Okay. And then here we can see it is fine. I don't know how much you're able to see this. Yeah, the blink is okay. Now we need to connect. So now I've connected this to the Agaro and just give it a couple of seconds and you will see this turns green. That means it is ready to be jump started. Okay, so now let me quickly start the car. Okay. And see, I managed to start the car. So it's working perfectly.